There are at least 5 such planets in our solar system that are now either part of the current planets, moved into far away unknown parts of the solar system, or even ejected from the solar system to the vast interstellar space. Let's have a look at them in some detail. Thea is a hypothesized ancient planet in the early solar system that, according to the giant impact hypothesis, collided with the early Earth around 4.5 billion years ago, with some of the resulting ejected debris gathering to form the Moon. Thea could explain why Earth's core is larger than expected for a body its size, with Thea's core and mantle fusing with those of Earth. Thea is hypothesized to have been about the size of Mars. It may have formed in the outer solar system and provided much of Earth's water. Computer simulations suggest that Thea was traveling no faster than 4 km per second when it struck Earth at an estimated 45-degree angle. In contrast, evidence published in January 2016 suggests that the impact was indeed a head-on collision. Thea's remains are now residing in Earth and the Moon. Caltech researchers have found mathematical evidence suggesting there may be a planet X deep in the solar system. This hypothetical Neptune-sized planet orbits our Sun in a highly elongated orbit far beyond Pluto. The object, which the researchers have nicknamed Planet 9, could have a mass about 10 times that of Earth and orbit about 20 times farther from the Sun on average than Neptune. It may take between 10,000 and 20,000 Earth years to make one full orbit around the Sun. The announcement does not mean there is a new planet in our solar system. The existence of this distant world is only theoretical at this point, and no direct observation of the object nicknamed Planet 9 have been made. The mathematical prediction of a planet could explain the unique orbit of some smaller objects in the Kuiper belt, a distant region of icy debris that extend far beyond the orbit of Neptune. Astronomers are now searching for the predicted planet. Planet 5 is a hypothetical fifth terrestrial planet posited by NASA scientist John Chambers and Jack J. Lissauer to have once existed between Mars and the asteroid belt. In their hypothesis, the late heavy bombardment of the Hadean era began after perturbations from the other terrestrial planets caused Planet 5's orbit to cross into the asteroid belt. While long-lived, its orbit was unstable on a timescale of 600 million years. Eventually, perturbations from the other inner planets drove Planet 5 onto a high eccentricity orbit which crossed into the inner asteroid belt and was lost, most likely by impacting the Sun. Several suggested names for the hypothetical fifth giant planet. Let's name it Hades, the Greek god of the underworld. The five-planet NICE model is a numerical model of the early solar system. It begins with 5 giant planets, the 4 that exist today plus an additional ice giant between Saturn and Uranus in a chain of mean motion resonance, meaning they exert regular gravitational pressure on each other. Eventually, the resonance chain was broken. The 5 giant planets undergo a period of planetesimal drive and migration, followed by a period of orbital instability with gravitational encounters between planets. During the instability, the additional giant planet is scattered inward onto a Jupiter-crossing orbit and is ejected from the solar system following an encounter with Jupiter. The model was first formally proposed In 2011, after stimulations indicated that it was more likely to reproduce the current solar system than a four-planet nice model. During the formation of the solar system, an Earth-sized planet collided with Uranus, causing the skewed orientation of that ice giant that we see today. Origin and current location of that planet is still not known.